Hey, welcome to Liberty Buick GMC, your #1 stop for any GMC and new Buick. Today, I have the GMC Sierra AT4X, the baddest 1500 on the road right now in my opinion. I tell everybody, if you want the baddest truck on the road, come on down to Liberty and check out this AT4X. The AT4X is basically the ultimate off-road truck, but can still give you all the luxury features of a Denali package. Front and rear parking sensors. This one has the AEV bumpers on the front and rear as well. This is a new color called Thunderstorm Gray. We got the Salter wheels with the AT tires. Absolute beautiful truck. Multi-Pro tailgate. Blind spot alert. Heated and cool seats on the interior. And guys, check out that beautiful stitching. Of course, with the AEV AT4X edition. Suede roof lighting. Wireless charging station. Heated steering wheel, heads up display. A ton of space, guys. Absolutely a ton of space. The whole system's all powered by Google. So you're gonna get your Google Maps, Google Assistant. Of course, you got camera systems all the way around, front, rear, 360. Bird's eye view down at the top. You can even put it on your wheels. Make sure you don't curb your tires whenever you're going off road. Make sure you're getting right trajectory going over rocks. You can see directly where that hitch is. I call that one the merit saver, guys. So everybody knows exactly where you're going. Rearview mirror even turns into a camera, so you can see every lane behind you. Really helps on taking away those blind spots. Digital dash. No guessing how fast you guys are going, and these are available in a couple of different engine configurations. This one's the 6.2, 420 horsepower, 460 foot-pounds of torque. Absolute beautiful vehicle, guys. So what I need you guys to do is hop in a current car, come on down to Liberty Buick GMC. Any of my associates can definitely help you get into a brand new GMC Sierra of your choice. And we definitely want to help you guys out. And we will see you guys this weekend.